Hey guys, so this is a video really fast, just reminding you how to download content off of YouTube. So if you if you already know how to do this, or you watched previously in the other videos, then go ahead and just skip this. But I wanted to make sure it was in the search section as well. So if you need to, so basically you can get the link to this video a couple of ways. One is you can click into it and just copy the URL. Another way is if you right click, you can copy link address. And as I said in the other videos, this is the best site I've ever found in terms of downloading YouTube, but or downloading YouTube content, but there are plenty out there. They're all a little glitchy. This one's my favorite because it's the least glitchy of everybody. And basically you just paste, and you can do this for visual and audio, because here you can download the video, and if you switch over to MP3, then you can download just the audio. Just a quick side note, you want to download the highest quality possible. That seems like a given, but I just need to say it. And then in addition to that, always remember that you want MP4s for your video and MP3 for your audio, because those two file types are universal, and no matter what type of all you're going to be able to send it easy. You're going to be able to. It's just an easier file type. Just trust me on that one. All right. See you on the next one.